I have a Samsung S6 that has problem with the got problem with this. This happens when you turn off the phone and the volume down button is pressed. In this phone, the volume button is stuck there. Let me try to remove this. To remove the back, I just heat it up and using isopropyl alcohol. When you put this plastic in there, it normally sticks to the inside, so when you put alcohol, it tends to loosen it a little bit. I think this is the best tool to open this. While doing this, I always try to get it from the battery side, because I believe that the battery side has less glue. This looks like it's already been opened before, so it wouldn't be difficult to take this off. Yeah, it was opened before. So yeah, this looks like it's already been opened before. This is already been opened before. Not looks like, but this is already been opened. Somebody has already opened it before. And unscrew all of these. This does not want to come out. And this is good now. Let me put it on and see how it does. see the safe mode is gone. To get in safe mode, what you have to do is volume down, power button. Once it turns on, once it vibrates, remove the power button, keep holding the volume down button. So come up the safe mode. Just to put this back. Now only thing remaining is to clean it up and put it back. Best to use a new knife because sometimes it just doesn't cut properly. This doesn't look so clean. Let me clean this as well. Places where there's no double-sided tape, I will put some glue so that it sticks properly. And to finish it off, I will use some rubber bands. Okay, this is all done. This is how you get the Samsung phone from safe mode. You can do restart. Sometimes it works. If the volume down button is pressed, even if you do a restart, it's not going to work. You have to remove the button and see if that works. This is what I did. Thank you for watching my video. I'll be posting some more videos later on. Thank you very much.